Hello people, Spectator Bob here. This is December 11th, 2016. Somewhere around 8 p.m. I do believe. It's dark outside, it's cold, it's windy. I'm under a security light and I am trying to ghost hunt. I'm in northern Laurel County, Kentucky. Getting close here so you can try to hear me better. We got rain coming in. It's starting to rain on me right now as I speak, which is going to be quick because I'm getting over a bad cold and don't want to get sicker. And but where we're at here, there's old Civil War battlefields and a lot of reports of lights in the area. So I'm going across the field over here, where across from my home, where I shot the video just yesterday in Laurel County, the Laurel ghost lights and stuff. And see if we can see lights over here real quick. Gotta make this quick, but let's go this way and see if we can find anything that might be related to ghosts from the Civil War era. Let's out this direction here. The rain's starting to come down, it's cold, the wind's blowing hard. You can hear almost what sounds like a wicked scream from the wind whistling across these hills over here. Something I didn't hear much of when I lived further north in Estill County, Kentucky. Trying to use my flashlight here to get out of the way. Here's the road. Hear that wind? Trying to be careful because there are deer across the way over there. I do not want to get in trouble for spotlighting. That is illegal in Kentucky. I'm going to turn the flashlight off, see if we can spot any unusual lights in the area. It'll be black for a little bit. I am not sure what it will do for the focus. I can certainly hear the whistles from the wind though. Turn the light back on so that way be easy to see on the video. With every neighbors report to us of seeing lights in the field, they own the field. I'm not allowed in the field. It would be trespassing. But they stopped and asked us to know if we'd been in the field, no shine lights. We told them no. And it's happened on more than one occasion from different neighbors. And so they just believe that something's amiss. Could be hunters poaching animals. I cannot disclude that. However, we have a good view here. And even with lights and everything, we're unable to see anyone. Those fields are open. Someone was there. Easy to spot. Lights just simply seem to fade away without explanation. And so therefore, I conclude on my own theories of possible ghosts from Civil War era. A lot of that happened in this area in Kentucky. And because of the cold and rain, I'm going to have to keep this video short anyway due to uploading times taking so long. But also because I do not want to get any sicker than I already am. I'm going to log off here, load this up. Sorry for another failed attempt, but that's the usual in ghost hunting. I've not seen proof of ghosts yet. Everything has been disproved somewhere or another. Even the brown lady, that famous photograph of the ghost, has been disproved. So that's ghost hunting. Just part of the problem. So far, just nothing has been proven 100% to have ghosts. But at least I have tried. So thank you for watching and have a good night.